So today we are going to be talking about why you get darker during summer and also how to fix it. Now, skin darkening during summer happens to basically everybody. Happens to basically everybody, especially those of you that are abroad. Now, this is what happens, right? I have a lot of clients from the US and the UK, even some people from Germany. And this is one like their major issue. Winter, normal seasons, their skin is okay, but once they get into summer, their skin darkens unbelievably. Not like they get into the sun or anything, they protect themselves, they use their cars and all of those things, but they still get really, really dark. Now, I'm going to explain the philosophy of the skin. Why, when you are in Nigeria with constant sun, your skin was not getting as dark, but now you now travel out and your skin is even getting darker during summer. Now, we here in Africa, we have this constant sun exposure to the skin. And one thing a lot of people don't understand that is our skin is very adaptive. Our skin is not static. Our skin is adaptive, but it takes time to actually adapt to a particular new environment. Do you understand? Now, just like I said, we over here in Africa with constant sun, like, yeah, we have seasons, but almost every time we have sun. So our skin is used to that, and our melanin levels, everything in our skin is basically like it has been arranged based on the weather. Do you understand? Now, for those of you out there, Africans that are out there in the US, UK, Germany, Italy, and all of those places, you are there, there is winter. So those long winter periods, a lot of you say, oh, my skin is so nice during winter, my complexion is cool. Yes, it is cool because there is no sun. So your melanin level is low. So during those winter seasons, do you understand? Your skin again has adapted to the no sun, the whole winter thing. It has adapted to it. So your melanin level is like normal or low, however, depending on your actual skin complexion. So you are flexing your skin, your lotion seems to be working, everything just seems to be working. And then all of a sudden, boom, the sun comes out. Very hot. So your skin that has been resting and has forgotten what it means to see the sun, it has forgotten what it means to, regulate your melanin low, high, and all of those, all of a sudden gets hit by that scorching sun. It is going to go haywire. It is going to release your melanin or release melanin to your skin in a way that you are not going to believe. So because of that, those sharp weather shifts, that is why your skin is always going up and down. You have this very cold time where there is no sun, your skin is going to adapt to that. Do you understand? And then the sun comes out and it's like, whoa, we need to protect you. It hits you with melanin. So, but here, it has adapted to the continuous sun. So when you are in Africa, your skin is actually at a normal base level because there's never a time it's too hot, there's never a time it's too cold. Your skin just has a normal complexion because your melanin is just, let me say, going step 2, step 3, step 2, step 3. Today there is no sun, tomorrow there is sun. It's just going like this. But when you're out there, it's literally going from winter time, from maybe it has stepped down to step 1, and then the scorching sun comes out, it steps up to step 5, 6 to protect you. So this is the simple reason why you get darker during summer. Even for people that have dark, like you are brown skin, and people that have fair African skin, everybody gets hit by this particular thing I am talking about. Now, a lot of people think that, oh, using a more lightening lotion this period is going to help. You are actually going to be worsening the situation if you are not careful on the type of lightening products you use during this time, because you are actually going to make your skin more sensitive. I'm making this video because a lot of people have actually contacted me, and for all of them, we have actually seen success rates. What have they been doing wrong? They have lightening body lotions they are using, but yet during summer, their skin still gets dark. So what the hell? What the hell is happening? I'm using my lightening lotion. I use my moisturizing lotion in the daytime. I use my lightening lotion at night. Still, my skin gets dark. What the hell is wrong with my skin? That's the frustration. Now, this is how to go about it. I'm not recommending products because this video is for everybody. I do not know where you are watching me from. So you just pick the basics that I'm talking about, or if you want to contact me for a one-on-one consultation, you can hit me up on WhatsApp. It is a fully paid service. Okay. Now, number one, you are going to evaluate. You need to know where you are. Are you someone that's been using only this is for people now that have caramel skin, people that have never used lightening products or anything, they just use moisturizing products, but notice that during summer they tend to get darker and it disturbs them, because it doesn't disturb everybody, honestly, because as the weather gets better, your skin snaps back naturally. Do you understand? So for some people that are disturbed, it disturbs, you evaluate yourself. What am I using? You're using moisturizing products, right? Now, as a caramel skin person who does not want to lighten or anything, you just want to create that cushion so that your skin doesn't get excessively dark. You can just twerk, maybe add an oil, something very light like a brightening oil, or change your soap. Now, over time, you might not see a drastic change, but over time, you are going to notice that if you take a picture this summer and see yourself last summer, you are going to see that you looked brighter here. And that is because normally you use your normal body moisturizer, your normal Dove or St. Ives body wash during summer, and you get really dark. And then now you're using your normal moisturizer and maybe a more brightening shower bath, a more brightening bar soap, and your skin looked better during this summer. Yeah, it's that simple. Now, for those of you that are lightening your skins, like you are using you are using lightening products, right? What you need to do during summer is to change that lightening product. If the lightening product is actually very, very active, you can change the product and look for something softer, and do not use it as frequent, because the more you use lightening products, the more your skin gets sensitive to the sun, no matter how you protect your skin from the sun. Because even if you don't step out of your house, sun rays gets into the house. The sun is very strong, very, very strong. Do you understand? So even if you don't step out of your house, the sun rays penetrates into the house from the windows, from different corners of the house that you might not even think of. So you need to get a very good mild lightening, not super lightening, mild lightening product. If you have been using a particular one and it's not working, that means you need to change it. Get a mild lightening product, or even maybe change to something brightening. Do you understand? Something really, really brightening, not lightening. And also moisturize your skin very, very well. Moisturization is the key to a healthy skin. Like, some people use lotions that are not super moisturizing, and then your skin gets dry, your skin gets dull because of the heat. A lot of people during summer don't moisturize. They say, oh, the weather is too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot. Now that you are sweating, you are dripping of heat, does not remove the fact that your skin is dehydrated. It doesn't remove the fact that your skin is thirsty. A dehydrated skin still sweats. A dehydrated skin still pumps oil. Do you understand? So that your skin is oily, your skin is sweaty, it's not a guarantee that your skin is hydrated or is moisturized or over moisturized. No. So during summer, do well to still moisturize your skin, do well to still hydrate your skin. Take water also, it really helps. Water helps, fruit helps. But the reason why I'm actually making this video is to act because I had a new encounter with a client, and the purpose of her contacting me is for me to prescribe a stronger lightening product for her. So I talked her out of it, and it's working. Do you understand? So what you need during summer, it's not a more lightening product. It's something soft, something mild, but can still balance out, like, how do I put it? Help to reduce your melanin. So that's where your choice of ingredients come in, like the actual lotion you are buying. What ingredients does it contain? What are the major lightening ingredients? Because some ingredients can actually make your skin more sensitive. There are different lightening products, but there are some that makes your skin more sensitive to the sun than the other. So these are some dynamics that you might not be able to cut through. Do you understand? That's why experts like us are here to help you. So basically, I just wanted to make this short video to tell you that you are not alone on your skin getting darker during summer. So you know what you're doing wrong, and also try to, correct yourself. So it can be changing your soap, it can be changing your body oil, it can be changing your actual body lotion. Do you understand? A lot of people, 100% of all the people that came to me, they have been trying different lightening body lotions. It did not work. For some people, it's that the way they use the actual lightening lotion. For some people, it's just okay, get this serum and put into your lightening lotion. And it did the magic. You didn't even Some people didn't even need to change their lightning body lotion, because some people actually buy good products. So you have a good product, it might just be something you need to add to it, it might just be something you need to remove, it might just be your soap you need to change, it might just be your oil that you need to switch. So that is everything that I have to say in today's video. I hope this was helpful and informative as usual. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and how do you prevent your skin from getting darker during summer? People are going to be reading in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.